Hello. This is what happens when we put cocoa flakes, salt, pepper, mixed spices, lettuce, a chip into a microwave. Here we go. It's set for 7 minutes.
Actually, no.
It's spinning. As we can see, the effects are already devastating.
It's making a popping sound. That
sounds good. Look, there is a light in the microwave. It doesn't smell good either.
As you can see, it is making black smoke.
Let's pause it.
Smells good. Oh yeah.
Smells of herb. Dum daddy do, dum daddy do, dum dum daddy do, dum dum daddy do, dum dum daddy do.
Here we go. Oh no! We seem to have melted the cocoa flakes. That smells delicious.
Boom! It's a cat. Zoom in, you fucker. There we go.